bacon grease. Small 8-inch cast iron skillet. 10-inch cast iron skillet. And I'm going to show you how to take care of these. These are very economical. You can buy these at the dollar store. You can buy them at Walmart. And they're low maintenance. Once you get them seasoned, they'll stay seasoned. Now this one was a little more expensive. I got it at Cracker Barrel. As you see. And now I'm going to show you how to take care of it. Okay. You want as little water as possible to touch these cast iron skillets. Because if you don't dry them completely, they'll rust. Okay, and they're a little heavier than your regular skillet. But, and you can't fling things. You gotta use a spatula. But that's not gonna hurt you. Okay, what you do is, now I don't need to re-season this at all, so but I'm going to just to show you how to take care of these. All right. Put a little bit of bacon grease. That bacon grease is seasoned. You know, it's got pepper. The bacon comes salted already. As a matter of fact, bacon has so much salt in it, it would make a mole swell up to the size of an elephant. But anyway, when your oil gets melted, take a paper towel or something that you can throw away because you probably won't want to use it anymore. And spread over the bottom and the sides of your pan. Now, these pans are oven ready. So, like if you're going to bake biscuits or cornbread or something, keep the oil off the sides and the bottom of the pan. See, there's one that's already done. And why I say these are low maintenance, when you fry bacon in this and the oil ponds up, well, drip that grease in here in a jar like this. Cover it and keep it refrigerated till the next time you need it. That's another way to be economical. See, this is a dorm-sized oven, stove and oven. And the thing of it is you very rarely have to wash these. Very rarely have to wash these. When you dump your bacon grease or sausage grease or whatever, wipe it out with a paper towel. Wipe it out with a paper towel and cover after it's cooled, after your skillet, pan, whatever is cooled. cover it with paper towel like so, and put it back in your cabinet or wherever you keep your skillets. So I hope this has been a help to you. That's how you take care of your cast iron skillets. You got to keep them seasoned. You got to. And never, never start cooking on a cold skillet. Always preheat your skillet before you put anything in it. Well, if you like this video, like it and share it. This is for young kids, young adults starting out in their own apartments, or young kids living in dorms and stuff. Help them get started with their domestic life. Thank y'all for watching.